Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds, like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the appeared menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that you will enter Fastboot mode, which is the small letters here saying Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 10 seconds, and after that it will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.